Ready to unlock seamless payment processing in your AskNet MVC e-commerce site? Today, we're diving deep into integrating Stripe, the gold standard for online transactions. First things first, let's get your Stripe account set up. Head over to Stripe.com and create a new account once logged in. Navigate to your developer dashboard here. You'll find your API keys, both your publishable key and your secret key. Keep that secret key safe. It's crucial for server-side operations. Now, back in your AskNet MVC project, we need to install the Stripe SDK. This can be done easily through the NuGet package manager. Search for StripeNet and install it. This library will be your direct interface with the Stripe API. Next, we'll set up a controller to handle payment requests. This controller will receive payment details from your front end. Securely construct a charge object using your secret API key and the customer's payment information, and then send it to Stripe for processing. For the front end, you'll typically use Stripe's JavaScript library, known as Stripe Pays. It allows you to securely collect payment details directly from your users without them ever touching your server. Mitigating PCI compliance burdens, you'll create a token from the card details using Stripe Pays and then send this token to your AskNet MVC controller. Security is paramount. Always use your secret API key on the server side and your publishable key on the client side. Handle sensitive card information using Stripe Pays to ensure PCI compliance. Additionally, implement webhook handlers to receive real-time notifications from Stripe about the status of your payments, such as successful charges or disputes. Finally, integrate this into your e-commerce workflow. You'll have a product page, add to cart functionality, and a checkout page. On the checkout page, users will securely input their card details via Stripe Pays, and upon submission, the process we've outlined will securely handle the transaction, enabling your customers to complete their purchases.